Hello, biology enthusiasts! Welcome back to Kid Pillar. In this amazing human body quiz, we will put your knowledge of the human body under the microscope to see how much you really know about vital body systems, organs, and processes that keep your body functioning. Take our quiz to discover the amazing facts that make you, and emerge as the master of human anatomy. Let's dive in. Question 1. Which of the following is not part of the digestive system? A. Liver. B. Gallbladder. C. Spleen. D. Pancreas. The answer is C. Spleen. Spleen is an organ located in the upper left part of the abdomen, just beneath the rib cage. It is a part of the lymphatic system and plays several important roles in the body's immune system and blood maintenance, but it is not involved in digestion like the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Question 2. Which organ filters blood and helps maintain the body's fluid and electrolyte balance? A. Liver. B. Kidney. C. Pancreas. D. Spleen. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Kidney. The kidneys filter waste products and excess fluids from the blood, forming urine. They also play a vital role in regulating blood pressure, electrolyte balance, and red blood cell production. Question 3. What structure in the respiratory system is often called the windpipe? A. Esophagus. B. Trachea. C. Bronchus. D. Larynx. The answer is B. Trachea. The trachea, commonly known as the windpipe, is a vital structure that connects the larynx to the bronchi of the lungs. It provides a clear path for air to travel to and from the lungs during breathing. Question 4. Which enzyme, produced by the pancreas, is responsible for breaking down carbohydrates? A. Protease. B. Amylase. C. Lipase. D. Lactase. The right answer is B. Amylase. Amylase is an enzyme that breaks down carbohydrates like starch into simple sugars. It is secreted by both the pancreas and the salivary glands to aid in digestion and energy production. Question 5. Which part of the nervous system controls the fight or flight response? A. Central nervous system. B. Parasympathetic nervous system. C. Sympathetic nervous system. D. Peripheral nervous system. The correct answer is C. The sympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is responsible for the body's response to stressful situations, often referred to as the fight or flight response. It increases heart rate, redirects blood to muscles, and prepares the body to deal with threats. Question 6. What is the function of villi in the small intestine? A. To produce digestive enzymes. B. To increase surface area for absorption. C. To neutralize stomach acid. D. To store bile. It's B. To increase surface area for absorption. Villi are small, finger-like projections in the small intestine that increase the surface area, enhancing nutrient absorption. They allow the digestive system to efficiently extract nutrients from food. Question 7. Which neurotransmitter is primarily involved in mood regulation? A. Dopamine. B. Serotonin. C. Acetylcholine. D. GABA. And the correct answer is B. Serotonin. Serotonin is a key neurotransmitter that influences mood, sleep, and appetite. Low levels of serotonin are linked to mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. Question 8. What part of the brain regulates hunger and thirst? A. Cerebellum. B. Hypothalamus. C. Medulla oblongata. D. Amygdala. The answer is B, hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is a small region of the brain that plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis, including regulating hunger, thirst, body temperature, and other autonomic functions. It's the control center for many vital processes. Question 9. What is the role of the pulmonary arteries? A. To carry oxygen-rich blood to the body. B. To carry oxygen-poor blood to the body. C. To carry oxygen-rich blood to the heart. D. To carry oxygen-poor blood to the lungs. The correct answer is D. To carry oxygen-poor blood to the lungs. Pulmonary arteries transport deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle of the heart to the lungs, where it becomes oxygenated and returns to the heart for circulation throughout the body. Question 10. What is the function of the diaphragm in respiration? A. To filter air. B. To regulate blood flow. C. To pump air in and out of the lungs. D. To contract and relax during breathing. And the answer is D. To contract and relax during breathing. The diaphragm contracts to create negative pressure, drawing air into the lungs during inhalation, and relaxes to expel air during exhalation. It's the main muscle responsible for breathing. Question 11. What is the main purpose of the large intestine? A. To absorb water and electrolytes. B. To digest proteins. C. To produce enzymes. D. To neutralize stomach acid. Time's up. The answer is A. To absorb water and electrolytes. The large intestine is responsible for absorbing water and salts from the food remnants that are passed from the small intestine, forming solid waste, feces, for excretion. Question 12. What is the name of the valve that prevents blood from flowing back into the heart's left atrium? A. Mitral valve. B. Tricuspid valve. C. Aortic valve. D. Pulmonary valve. The correct answer is A. Mitral valve. The mitral valve, also known as the bicuspid valve, prevents the backflow of blood into the left atrium, ensuring one-way blood flow through the heart. It's crucial for maintaining efficient circulation in the cardiovascular system. Question 13. Which blood vessels are responsible for exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide in the tissues? A. Arteries. B. Veins. C. Capillaries. D. Lymphatic vessels. And the answer is C. Capillaries. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in the body. Their thin walls allow oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, and waste products to pass between the blood and the surrounding tissues, making them essential for cellular respiration and metabolism. Question 14. In which part of the brain is the respiratory control center located? A. Cerebellum. B. Medulla oblongata. C. Hypothalamus. D. Thalamus. The correct answer is B. Medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata, part of the brainstem, controls many involuntary functions, including breathing. It monitors the levels of carbon dioxide in the blood and adjusts the rate and depth of breathing accordingly. Question 15. Which part of the brain is primarily responsible for processing visual information? A. Occipital lobe. B. Temporal lobe. C. Frontal lobe. D. Parietal lobe. The answer is A. Occipital lobe. The occipital lobe is located at the back of the brain and is the primary center for visual processing. It interprets information sent from the eyes and helps us make sense of what we see. Question 16. How many chambers does the human heart have? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. It's C. 4. The human heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The right side pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and the left side pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Question 17. Which type of white blood cell is primarily responsible for producing antibodies? A. Neutrophils. B. Lymphocytes. C. Basophils. D. Eosinophils. The correct answer is B. Lymphocytes. Lymphocytes, specifically B cells, are responsible for producing antibodies, which help the immune system recognize and neutralize harmful pathogens like bacteria and viruses. These antibodies are crucial in fighting infections and building immunity. Question 18. The esophagus performs a crucial role in digestion. What is the name of the muscular contractions that move food down the esophagus to the stomach? A. Diffusion. B. Peristalsis. C. Absorption. D. Filtration. The correct answer is B. Peristalsis. Peristalsis is the process of wave-like muscle contractions that move food down the esophagus and through the rest of the digestive tract. These rhythmic movements help push food from the throat to the stomach in a smooth and coordinated manner. Question 19. What is the primary function of platelets in the blood? A. To carry oxygen. B. To fight infection. C. To form blood clots. D. To transport nutrients. The correct answer is C. To form blood clots. Platelets are essential for blood clotting. They clump together at the site of an injury to form a plug that stops bleeding, playing a critical role in wound healing. Question 20. Which part of the nervous system is responsible for voluntary muscle movement? A. Autonomic nervous system. B. Sympathetic nervous system. C. Somatic nervous system. D. Central nervous system. Time's up. The answer is C. Somatic nervous system. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements, such as walking or lifting objects. It transmits signals from the brain to the muscles, enabling us to interact with our environment. Great job, everyone! We hope you learned some fascinating facts about your body systems. Be sure to share this quiz with your friends and like and subscribe this video for more amazing content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.